Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the delicious world of takoyaki, a popular Japanese street food that's loved by people all around the world. But hold on tight because we'll also explore some unknown and fascinating facts about this mouthwatering treat. So, let's get started. Before we explore the unknown facts, let's understand what takoyaki is. Takoyaki is a savory ball-shaped snack that originated in Osaka, Japan. It's made from a special batter, typically containing flour, eggs, dashi, a Japanese fish stock, and other secret ingredients, giving it a unique flavor and texture. Takoyaki is cooked on a special griddle, often with half-spherical molds. As the batter starts to cook, it's skillfully turned using special takoyaki picks to shape the balls. It's incredible to watch the chef's dexterity as they expertly rotate the balls to ensure they cook evenly. Now, let's uncover some lesser-known facts about takoyaki that will surely amaze you. Takoyaki's surprising origin. Takoyaki was invented in Osaka in the 1930s, but it wasn't always the beloved treat we know today. In its early days, takoyaki was served as a street snack to children during school festivals, but without the octopus filling. The modern version with the octopus filling came later, and its popularity skyrocketed. Octopus, not the only filling. While octopus is the traditional and most popular filling for takoyaki, creative variations have emerged over the years. Today, you can find takoyaki filled with shrimp, cheese, bacon, and even chocolate for those with adventurous taste buds. Takoyaki's spherical shape. Ever wondered why takoyaki is shaped like little balls? The shape was inspired by a popular candy in Japan called Imagenish, which is a sweet snack with a similar spherical shape. The innovation of using a spherical mold to cook the batter with a savory filling gave birth to takoyaki. The Takoyaki Challenge. In Japan, there's a fun food challenge where people try to eat as many takoyaki balls as possible within a specific time limit. It's known as the Takoyaki Challenge, and competitive eaters often participate in this tasty battle. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. As always, takoyaki never disappoints. The combination of the flavorful batter and the tender octopus filling is simply divine. That wraps up our journey into the world of takoyaki and the interesting unknown facts surrounding it. I hope you enjoyed learning something new today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.